this is Sharif, just nailed it, and welcome to my channel. We are here with a secret, wait a minute, we are here with the NAIL Sisters secret word collaboration. Oh my goodness! A secret word collaboration. Gotta watch in full to hear my secret word. So our theme is pink, black, and white. And here we go. I'm going to drag on through. I'm going to be marbling nails, as you can see, but I'm going to be doing it a little bit differently than normal because mine always turns out kind of lumpy. Lumpy and bumpy. So I'm going to be using some blooming gel by Moravon. We're going to put that on all the nails. Oh my god, I'm having an issue talking tonight. It's like 8:30 in the evening. I don't know if it's because of that I can't get my words out, but I'm having an issue. I'm having an issue for certain. So I'm going to go ahead and put the blooming gel on all the nails. That one pink one, as you see here. The colors I'm using are the black and white are by Macart. My pink is by Nail Reserve LA. I am affiliated with both. You can find information out in the description box, as always. There's also going to be all the rules listed for the giveaway. Must be 18, live in the continental United States. You must be subscribed to all 5 channels. There are 5 of us now. Me, Hillbilly's Creativity, Glitter Sparkle UK, which is Vicky, Life with Christine, and who am I missing? Oh my god, Katie. Oh god, she's gonna kick my butt. Oh god, what's her channel called? Oh, here, let me pull it up on. Oh my lord, what's she called? Kitty Cat Nails. I will leave the links to everybody in the description box. Katie, I am so sorry. It's very embarrassing. Very embarrassing. Very. So we're going to scoop some polish up here. Put it across the nail. And we are going to watch it spread. Let me continue over here. Now, I wanted more of the pink in here. It is spreading. Let's see if I can add some of the pink here. Probably not. Probably not. Well, they're spreading, they're blooming, they're doing its thing. And I'm going to pop these puppies in the lamp for 60. Oh, we should plug her in. We should plug the lamp in. Okay, then I'm going to do my best to get 3 nails out of this scoop. These, yeah. I'm going to do my best. I'll do my best. Whoops. I hope I'm in frame. I hope I'm in frame. I love doing this. I didn't know if this was possible or not, so I started playing last night. I did on a black nail, I did on a white nail, I did on a pink nail. I wanted to see which one looked better, which one did it show more color, more vibrancy, and the white background won out. But I really liked the pink, so we got one pink nail. We got one pink nail. Oh, that looks mighty cool. How we doing on this nail here? Well, she could have spread a little bit more. She coulda. So we're gonna stick those three in the lamp for, whoops, for 60. What happened to my lint free white? Taking this. Wipe your brush back and forth. Back and forth till it comes out clean. And I was using an ombre brush, in case anybody was wondering. Those are in the lamp for a 30 seconds more. We are going to be top coating with, where's my top coat? Remember the blooming gel that I used with my Morelon? I got that off Amazon in my haul for February. Una Gemma top coat. Found this in my armoire. 3 top coats, 3 base coats in a box where they were purchased that way. One thing is, I don't know if somebody gave them to me. If I bought them myself, I got no idea. I got no recollection. My memory's not the best, and 5 years I've acquired a lot of things. I think these come out pretty cool looking. What do you think? I think it looks pretty cool. It's not your traditional marbling. It's not your traditional blooming. But when you add marble to a blooming gel, this is what you get. And they are not lumpy and bumpy. They spread out nicely and they are smooth. We give them a nice glossy top coat. And my secret word is, this is my birthday month, March. My birthday is March 15th. There is a birthday giveaway up, so check that video out so you can enter. It's open to US and UK. Oops. My secret word is birthday. So I'll use that one, you know, that's what it is. Look how cool that looks. I think that looks really, really super cool. I would definitely wear these. This is so me. So I'm popping that in for 60 and we'll return. Okay, we are back. We are here at the end of the video. If you missed this, if you didn't hear the secret word, you missed it. Start over. Listen. Pay attention. Pay attention, folks. Here are our blooming marble gel nails. I think these turned out really cool. Really cool. Remember, there are 5 channels. You must be subscribed to all 5 to enter, to win. That's part of the rules. What you should do is you're subscribing to all 5. Go into the giveaway on their page as well. Watch their videos. For each of us, they have our own secret word. 5 times the chances to win. Not just on my channel, it's only 1 chance. But if you hit all of us, if you nail all 5 channels, it's 5 times the chance to win. Oh, I'm so very wrong. This one is only open to UK residents. So it must be all UK subscribers. I'm sorry, USA. You have 4 times with the 4 of the USA women. Vicky's the only one. Glitter Sparkle UK that is a UK resident. So she is only doing UK subscribers. So only UK can enter this giveaway. Again, I already said my secret word. So there's that giveaway. I have my birthday giveaway going on, so go check out that video. There are multiple sponsors for US and as well as UK. Yeah. So, let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of my blooming marble manicure for today. Make sure you check out all 5 Nail Sisters, the other 4. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, any giveaways that might be going on, or anything else important that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.